Hello guys, my name is Jacqueline. If you comment on this video, comment your username and sub and like. I'm gonna give you some of these, some three, actually four of these double fruits, four of these dark ones, and blood. I'm gonna give you some. You better sub, you better like, better comment your username. And also, this is how my bases look. Okay, that's how my base looks. I got a surprise up here. Going up. And I got another double fruit, a shadow, an OG case, and this limited. I meant this exclusive case. I'm gonna give you some. And also some of these too. If you're still a noob, you better add me, you better comment, like, sub. Always don't forget to sub. And also don't make the other pieces. Oh. How did I... Okay, I'm turning off my VC. Okay. And if one of you doesn't have a demon case yet, I'll give you one. It's right here, in my hand. So worth it. It's worth it. You better like and sub and comment. Your username. Okay, so why is there a chicken? Why is there chicken? Look, there's a little chicken up. I think it notices. I think it noticed that I'm filming. If you want some, you know what to do. I don't even have a headset then. I barely use my headset. Okay, there's a camera. That is how my father talks to me when he is at Singapore. Also, I don't live at Singapore. It's pretty hot in the Philippines. Look, this is how it looks in the Philippines. Look at the plants. Look at the cats literally just